what's going on, man? J King back with another one. How y'all doing? How y'all doing out there? Hey, look, man, I'm back with a bang, and I got to give you all this message because this is going to help you in your cleaning business, okay? Now, today, I want to talk about the top 5 added revenue streams for a commercial cleaning business. Okay, now the first one, I've had a few of these requests come through to my business that really helped us out over the last maybe 2 years. And that first one is deep cleaning. Trust me, when I say deep cleaning is probably one of the top things, it's probably one of the top requests that we get in our business because we do it so well. Deep cleaning is basically you're doing, your regular routine cleaning. You're just doing it, you're doing a lot more from top to bottom, right? Like you're really hitting the dust that's way up in the corner to the lowest corner in the corner. Number 2, the second thing you want to add, second stream you want to add to your commercial cleaning business is window cleaning. Now, although we get a lot of deep cleanings, we like them, but one of the ones that I really like is window cleaning. Now, window cleaning is simple. Very, very, very simple. You see that behind me right there? Scrub and squeegee. Well, you go get one of those. It'll cost you maybe, they're a little high depending on where you get it from. For something like that you see in the back, right here. Oh, right there. For something like that, it's gonna cost you around maybe, I'm gonna say $50, $50 to $70, depending on where you're getting it from. I know that's kind of high, but you have to look at all the features that come with it. So just, try to go around and look for window cleaners because windows always have to be clean. Always. Every season change, from kids putting their fingers all over people's windows, all of that. So, really go around and try to look for those window cleaners. Sorry about my hat, y'all. It feels crooked, look crooked. I don't know. My head might be crooked. I don't know. But all right. So the third thing you want to look into is floor scrub. Okay. Now I don't mean go get you a deck brush. I think I got one. In case the people don't know what a deck brush is, hold on, help you all out. Mind you, I'm in one of my accounts. Let me stop this video to kind of explain. I'm in one of our biggest accounts right now. This is a gym, 2-story gym, 2 floors. They got pool, basketball, child care, sauna, steam rooms, all that in between. But deck brush, this right here, what you're looking at, make sure I get it in the camera. It's a deck brush, and this basically something you can just scrub floors with. It's made for small areas, but let's get back to the floor scrubbing. So floor scrubbing, you want to get you some real equipment, all right? So you're not down there on your hands and knees trying to scrub the floor. That's not what I'm talking about. Now, I can't turn my camera around here, but I will turn my phone around for you all. This right here, that's an automatic floor scrubber. Auto floor scrubber, sorry. This one is made by Tenant. I purchased it about, I would say about a year ago. It's been some time. It kind of sat in the garage for a while before I was able to use it again on a big account like this, a big building like this. So, yeah, go get you one of those, man. They can have them smaller. That right there might cost you anywhere from $5,000, $6,000 or $7,000, something like that. You can always rent them, but me, I believe in investing into the company. The money will come back later, but that's how we were able to get that. Now, that's the third thing. Now let's go back through it. The first one, deep cleaning. Deep cleaning. Everyone wants their building to be super clean, smell super good. So look into deep cleaning. Window cleaning. Window is glass. It's always going to need to be cleaned. And of course, a little thing about glass. I typically just stick to first floor glass, but if you got some type of I don't know what they call those things that they get on their ride. I forgot what they call it, but you got like ladders and something. You want to get like to the second and third floor. it's even more money. So, you know, look into that. Third thing, again, floor scrubbing. Definitely look into that because, you know, the machine do all the work. Let's be honest. Whew. And it is kind of hot out here. Y'all see me sweating or whatever. It's about 90 degrees in this closet. But I'm gonna get through this video for y'all. Now the fourth thing, I said window cleaning is my favorite, but this is kind of one of those, you hate it and you love it at the same time. It's labor, but it's also fulfilling and satisfying once you're done, and that's floor stripping and waxing. Floor stripping and waxing, if you haven't done it before, please try to join someone that is, you know, that does it or is going to do it, and they, you know, that they can teach you or anything. Please educate yourself on that, because the equipment, the chemicals, and everything in between is a delicate process. I will go through the process right now, but it'll take some time. To cut time out for you, go to YouTube. Look up stripping and waxing. There's plenty, hundreds of videos on how to do stripping and waxing. So go look that up. As far as equipment, I don't have any of my stripping and waxing equipment here right now, but low speed buffer, some flat mops for your, you know, buckets for your laying your wax and stuff like that. Stream mops. What else you'll need? You don't need it, but it will help you out, and that's a burnisher. Now, burnisher is what you use after all your wax is dried up. You know, did the whole process, and you know, it helps your floor. You know how some floors look like it just looks like water. It was a burnisher. Now, the stripping and the waxing and all of that, it will leave a shiny look, but it won't be as shiny, and it won't be that quality. Stripping wax will not be there unless you put that burnisher on. Now, you don't need it. Now, my time in the military, I didn't know what a burnisher was. I didn't know what a backpack vac was. We were just cleaning off at, you know, just bare minimum. So when I got out the military and I learned what a shop vac was and all of that, and you know, they just increased the quality. But before all of that, we just had the chemical, the low speed, the low speed, whatever thing, you know what I'm talking about, the low speed buffer. But let's go on to the last thing. Now, the fifth thing, I haven't done a lot of them. I've done maybe 3, 4 here and there, but it wasn't on the commercial side. However, I have, you know, I've educated myself on how to do it, and that is carpet cleaning. Carpet cleaning is another one of those easy ones because the machine does most of the work, right? But you really want to look into carpet cleaning too, because carpets always need to be done. They trap a lot of dirt, and there's layers to a carpet that you can't get to with just a vacuum cleaner. So that's another thing you want to look into is carpet cleaning. That's really all I have. That's the top 5 added revenue streams for your commercial cleaning business. This is J King. Y'all have a nice day. Be blessed, grateful, be prosperous. I'm out.